Here's how to style lace Air Force Ones. Start by taking your lace, and what we're going to do is feed it down into the second eyelet down from the top on this side, and we're going to pull it through around about this much. Then just go ahead and tuck that bit of lace down behind the sneaker tongue out of the way, and we can get started on our pattern. So smooth out your lace, and then we're going to bring it over and down into the corresponding eyelet on this side. So the second one down from the top on this side, just pull that through slowly until you get a bar shape like this. Looking good. And then feed that lace end underneath that bar so that it's got plenty of space to move around for our pattern. Then what we're going to do is we're going to skip this eyelet on this side, and instead we're going to bring the lace end up through this one from underneath. So just like this. And that looks pretty good. Then we're going to create another bar by bringing it over and down into the corresponding eyelet on this side this time. Pulling that through, making sure we've got no twists or creases. And that's looking pretty good. Then keep a hold of this lace, and we're going to bring it all the way down to the very bottom eyelet on this side, and we're going to come up through that from underneath. So what I like to do, because these bottom eyelets are kind of a little bit fiddly, is just take your lace end into it first and just wiggle it around a bit, just to make sure you're going to be able to get that lace end through. And then go ahead and feed that lace end through. It can be fiddly, but just take your time. We're in absolutely no rush here. It's all about getting the pattern right. Okay. Now remember, you can pause this video as much as you need, or you can play it on a slower speed on the YouTube settings. Just do whatever you need to do. Awesome. Now we're going to bring this over the sneaker tongue, and we're going to take the lace down into this eyelet here that already has a lace in it. So again, this can be a little bit fiddly, but just wiggle your lace end through until that pulls through. And if yours haven't, just pause and take your time until you get it through. Looking pretty good. Then we're going to take this lace end under this bit of lace here, just so we can move it around like that. And then we're going to bring it up through the bottom one on this side from underneath. Just feed that through. Looking good. Now we're going to repeat what we just did by getting this lace end into this eyelet on this side this time that already has a lace in it. So just smooth that lace out and take your time and wiggle that lace end through there. And then just slowly pull that lace all the way through, making sure there's no twists. Nice. Then we're going to feed it down underneath the whole pattern, like this, just so we can move it around. And then we're going to bring this lace end up through this very bottom eyelet here that already has a lace in it. Like I said before, this can be a little tricky, so just put your lace in there and really just wiggle it around a bit to make sure there's a gap, and then go ahead and get your lace through there from underneath. Now you may need to pause the video here or just give it a few tries because it can be kind of tricky. But like I said, there's no rush, just take your time and figure it out. Okay, once you've got that lace end through there, just pull that all the way through. And then we're going to carry on with our star pattern. Take the lace underneath this little bit of the pattern here, under this bar, because that's going to hold everything in place. Bring it over this very top bar here, like that. And then when you get to this stage, just pinch the top of your star a little bit here. And this will just allow the heat from your fingers to press the laces flat a little bit, and it'll make the pattern look much sharper. Nice. And then we're going to bring this lace down into this very bottom eyelet here from above. So just take your time and wiggle that through. Until you get it. And then go ahead and pull that through. When you're pulling this bit of lace through, do it really slowly because you don't want to yank that star down too much. I like to just hold it there while I pull that, just to make sure the pattern doesn't get all wonky. Nice. Then keep a hold of your lace and run it underneath the entire pattern. Like that. And then tuck it down this side of the sneaker tongue. And then to finish off the pattern, bring it up through the top eyelet on this side from underneath, like this. And then we're going to bring it over and down into this eyelet on this side from above. Like this. And then what you can do is just fish out your other lace from the beginning. And I like to tie them in a loose knot here. And then just tuck that down inside your Air Force One, and it will sit out of the way, and it will mean your pattern won't come loose. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of star-laced Air Force Ones. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I have tons of videos available to help inspire you guys. Thanks a lot!